Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tech tip, I'll show you exactly how to find your computer's serial number from within Windows 11. No need to flip your laptop or check the box it came in. Let's jump right into it. The quickest way to find your serial number is using PowerShell. So open PowerShell. Once it opens, type this command exactly as you see it. Then hit Enter. And just like that, your computer's serial number appears right below the serial number header. Super easy. And that's it. Super quick and easy way to find your serial number in Windows 11. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tech tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help.